Today is a get ready with me. I have a wedding and it is like the get ready with me where you kind of do everything yourself. I need you guys to wish me luck because like this could really go south. If you don't have a makeup artist, well, this is not the most slay install, but for a beginner, this is a very beginner friendly version of getting everything done yourself. So what are we doing right now? My skin is kind of already prepped, but this is not makeup. We are going to start off with hair. I've always been a big believer in hair before makeup, and I have tried my best to like brush all the hairs on my head as far back as I can. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. I know that is kind of crazy, but I'm doing that. So this is the wig, so I'm just going to put it on and try to place it. Okay, when you have a large forehead, you kind of don't want to look like this. We're just going to try and figure out the placement. So typically I try to hide my forehead a little bit when I wear frontal wigs. Now let us melt this wig using the even spray. Okay guys, so let's just talk real quick. Like, so much is happening, something is coming. Well, not, this is not even something is coming, this is like something's already here. If you follow me on Instagram, you pretty much have seen like my coming soon video. I've been working on this for like a really long time, and I'm just so happy that it's finally here. The backstory on this is that I used to have a concept store, and a concept store means that I would source like locally handcrafted interior goods and I would sell them. And the funny thing was that when I was doing this, like my clientele at the time, I have people who furnished their houses with things that I sourced because they wanted a certain aesthetic, and I think I did not realize, but what I was doing then was that I was just putting in money and then flipping in the money that I was putting in, which was cool, but like my business just could not grow because sometimes people would want something and I would try to go back and buy it after they've placed an order, and I just did not have enough money. So after much back and forth, I was like, you know what, I'm going to close this business down and I am going to take a step back, think about what I really want and start again. So I definitely will still bring that up. So I'm launching my brand. My brand is called Kirka. By the time this video is going live, I don't know if our website will be live, but you'll just like find more about it. But one thing I would say is that it is inspired by every single thing that I love, like anything that I like. So like imagine every single thing that encompasses me. It's like I've told myself that it's the business I'm starting that I'm not going to close down, because like we're in this, like we're building a global brand, a global business, and I am like so excited for it. Like trying to make sure that I'm getting this thing everywhere. I hope it is getting everywhere because I can't really see. I'm just going to wait for it to get tacky and then we'll melt the wig. So I am using a lace melt instead of a glue in this situation because honestly I think it's just easier to come up at the end when it's like a lace melt, not like actual glue. So this would easily come off with like water, for example. Just going to leave that in to like melt right there. Oh shit. Okay, I don't know what I have done here, but this place doesn't seem to be melting how I would like. Okay, see, it's still not melting though. How do we fix this? Well, maybe I should have started by paying a professional to get this done, but we will make it work. And maybe in this case I actually need real glue. And that's all. Okay guys, still trying to fix this. We are bringing the big guns and going straight on. with good old glue, because I don't know what's going on there. This is why I really do not like frontal wig, guys, because like, you know, like my hairline just feels like it wasn't made for frontals. This is kind of my dressy wig, so let's go. I'm going to go and wash the glue off my hand, and we're going to go into makeup.
Usually I don't pose.
Well, this is not the most slay install, but for a beginner,
Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chilling, I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside.
so we are on lashes. Like, I have been trying to do my makeup, but I had to like have this really lovely call with one of my best girls. I honestly feel like I started doing something which was adding on my calendar like Saturdays as connecting days, so I tried to see as many people like as I could possibly speak to that day, and I just kind of like regulated. So on Saturdays I try to hang out with people, hang out with friends, child, because you can't do life alone, you need people, you know. Anywho, guys, so I saw this thing on Instagram. It was a hack basically for wearing lashes. So like, instead of putting your lashes on top, you should be putting them from the bottom so that they look like lash extensions, and I am trying that today. But I need you guys to wish me luck, because like, this could really go south. I don't know if I put this on correctly. It looks bad, and it's a wedding. It's going to be a long day. I think this will have to do. So I'm wearing a teal dress. This will have to do. So for eyes, what are we doing? See guys, this is why filming and doing things is actually like the ghetto. So this wedding is supposed to start at 4 p.m, which means that I should actually kind of be seated at 4. I'm going to smoke out my waterline with some orange. So I'm using this color, this one right there. I don't know if that was like, I feel like I look crazy. I think I should have done the black thing first. Okay, so definitely like line my waterline first. Okay, do some tear duct. Just put like a little bit. I feel like I'm going to go in with this champagne gold, this one here, this color right here. My tear duct, so just like a little. Okay, so the group chat is going off. I need to hurry. Let me see what the girls are saying. So let's do lips. I don't really think that I've been doing my lips how they're supposed to be done. We're going to like not rush through doing lips today and take some time. So I first do like a light brown pencil right there. As you guys know, my top lip is darker, although like foundation has kind of helped it blend, but it's actually darker than like my bottom. So we're going to overline my Cupid's bow, so right there. Okay, lips definitely looking plumper. So I know what I want to wear, guys, but I haven't thought of shoes, I haven't thought of outfits, anything. I will link everything that I use in the description box below. I will let you guys know how I also feel about this whole putting my lashes under rather than on top. I feel like if I wanted to do like a cat eye eyeliner, it would definitely look good, but I don't have time. Everybody is texting on the group that they're running really late, so I'm happy that it's not just me. Although I feel like it's kind of understandable for them because they don't live in Lagos. I live in Lagos, I'm in late. So we're going to first go in with some Morphe. And we're just gonna give that some time to dry. In terms of how I have been, this is supposed to be like a chit chat, get rid of me, just like talking to you guys. In terms of how I've been, like, guys, honestly, like, there's been so much growth, so much change is happening. I am also considering going on a YouTube break.
Oh my god.
The reason, because let me know, like, how would you feel if I went on a YouTube break? Like, I think that I kind of need to go off so that I can take some time to really like plan and re-strategize like what I really want to be doing on this platform. I don't feel like I am doing what I really want to be doing, and I don't know, like, when I think about YouTube or creating content for YouTube, sometimes like I don't feel joy and happiness, I feel stressed, you know. If you don't have, see this silly pearl, if you can't afford the one size one, get this. It used to be 8,000 for this bottle. I need to restock because it's almost done, but I bought this to try and it's really good, especially if you want your makeup to like last long. Don't breathe in when you spray because this thing smells like hairspray. Also probably should have covered my lips because now they taste weird. That's okay. So yeah, guys, let me know, like, do you believe in taking social media breaks? I'm really considering it, honestly. So I just I could still like dab in with the brush a little bit to press the thing in some more. Still want to try and do some under eye baking. I don't want my under eye to like crack. For lips, I will just do my regular lip. This is the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I got this shade because of Melissa's wardrobe and I'm still working by her. Well, a very blended lip. I'm very happy. I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. I don't know, guys, I want to film a get ready with me for like TikTok or Instagram, and I'm trying to think, how do I pull this off? Because I also want to kind of like film for TikTok. Quick one, guess what I'm wearing today? Am I doing color or neutral, guys? I definitely could have done better with this hair install, but it's okay. I'm just a girl, baby, and this is why I don't like wigs, but I kind of needed my hair to rest from the sew-ins because my undergrowth is grown out and I don't want to stress my hair, you know. Ooh, how I love being a woman. I love being a woman, guys. I feel beautiful. What? I am supposed to have been recording, but I completely forgot. But let me show you guys my outfit. I'm trying to pick a bag. Ooh, ciao. This look. Okay, so this is the dress. This is the dress, okay? And these are the shoes, okay? Keeping it simple. This is simple, okay? And then I'm thinking of going with this bag. Love this dress. So for lips, should we do like pink or brown? I feel like we should do like a subtle brown. So I'm going to be going in with this Kiko lip gloss. I need a mirror.
How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight.
My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna change the battery because I want to vlog at this wedding. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I am running really late, but yeah, this is how to be a wedding guest on a budget. Just learn how to do your makeup, okay? Stick to neutral colors and wear a dress that you really love. Well, invest in quality dresses so you don't need to do too much with like makeup and hair, because when your dress is, then you don't need to explain anything. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye loves.
Coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up.